What's up, Grumpy Nation? Back here in the backyard in the chicken yard. Yeah, and the rooster's almost ready for the freezer, Jack. Anyway, this is what we doing this morning. We running a polycord around the chicken coop. This white cord right here is nylon cord with aluminum strips in it. Cord, see that white stuff? That's nylon like cord, and with wire. See, that's the wire. I don't know if y'all can see that. Nylon cord and this wire, aluminum wire wrapped around in it. This is stronger than that regular wire. Cause the doggone chickens, man, let me tell you something. I love my chickens, but they stupid. They come out and they just walk in and out of it. They get all day, they just, so it's like that. And the wire get all loose and it break. So that's why we putting this cord on. And also, this cord is actually more conductive than the wire. So I'm getting full 10,000 volts at all times. Yes, that electricity serious, y'all. So yeah, we got some meat birds coming in tomorrow. So I wanted to, working on getting the infrastructure up good for the meat birds. I don't want to lose nothing, especially the predator. So this upgraded predator protection, it's easy to install. And it's still cheap. It's a couple dollars more than that wire, but this is a lot better. So I got my middle boy out here. Breezy, say what's up to the people.
What up, man?
So I got Breezy out here. Matter of fact, I think we put it together. It took us it's so much quicker than about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes yesterday. The hardest part was figuring out how to tie the knots on it, but I figured out you got to tie a little slip knot on it. So it took us about 20 minutes yesterday, and about 15 minutes today to go around here. So we finna plug it in right quick. Let's see if we getting these 10,000. All right, Breeze, go on, hook it up. Let's see if we getting them 10,000.
Oh yeah.
We getting 10,000, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Oh yes, the polycord is the bomb. So we wasn't even getting 10,000 on the wire. We was getting 7,000. So it is much more conductive than the wire. Grumpy Nation, that's why I show you everything, baby. I show you everything. So it's cleaner looking. See that? Cleaner looking. Still easy to install. And it more conductive. Oh, conductive means the electricity flow smoother. If the smoother your electricity flow, the more the better efficient it will be. That's why we got 10,000 now instead of 7. And that's all the way across here. See, we running it from this coop to this coop. So see how we got it? Coming down through here, coming through the pipe, over there. And we ain't losing nothing. So yeah, it is much more conductive. All right, Bree, say bye to the people. All right, Grumpy Nation. Catch y'all on the next one.